Today, we're going to walk you through a live trading session. Gone very, very wrong. Meet Leo. He's with Order Flow Labs, and on September 19th, this guy went live and fired off not one, not two, but 7 consecutive losing trades on the NASDAQ 100, one after another. No structure, no confirmation, just chaos. Let's take a look at how he did this. Now that you've seen what guesswork looks like, let me show you what real trading looks like. Because when you've got PredictMO on your screen, you're not hoping for the right entry. You're getting told, in real time, with precision. We don't have time to cover all 7 of his losing trades. So let's break down his top 3 mistakes and compare them to what PredictMO had to say. Leo goes long at 10:18 a.m. But look at PredictMO. It already called a short 2 minutes earlier at 10:16 a.m. So while this monkey's entering a long, we're already riding the short like pros. 3 candles later, he gets stopped out. Right after getting smoked, Leo enters long again. This time, PredictMO actually agrees. The long signal came in right at 10:21 a.m. Cool. But here's where it goes off the rails. PredictMO said, "Hey pal, get out now at 10:29 a.m. But Leo? He holds that trade all the way until 10:42 a.m. And boom, he gets stopped out again. You're seeing the pattern here, right? At 10:42 a.m., he tries long again, but PredictMO had already flipped to short 5 minutes earlier at 10:37 a.m. and once again. Leo's outmatched, out-timed, and out of the trade by 10:45 a.m., stopped. Again. All while price continues to fall. This is what real structure looks like. PredictMO isn't some wild guess. It's a machine-learned precision tool that tracks the true shift in momentum. You either trade with that kind of clarity, or you trade like Leo, blind, late, and in denial. This isn't shade, it's just a wake-up call. Because when you keep trying to fight momentum with a lagging thought process, you'll always be 3 candles behind. Get PredictMO with your 7-day free trial today. And stop guessing. Start winning. Links in the description.